Hi there, and thanks for taking the time to check out our video on this amazing 2016 Hyundai Tucson. It's a 1.6T Premium Limited all-wheel drive with only 39,000 kilometers. This Hyundai Tucson is local. There's no accidents. We've done a full mechanical inspection, which we're happy to email to you. Plus, I don't know about you guys, but I love the wheels that Hyundai puts on the Tucson Limiteds. Those are nice. When we put them in our indoor showroom, these lights are unforgiving. You know it's in good shape. So you can just check this out. That dual exhaust is cool. With the 1.6 liter turbo, you're gonna get like high 7s, low 8s liters per 100 for fuel economy. Like these little guys do almost 40 miles to the gallon, which is great for an all-wheel drive. This cloth rear bench seat has a full down armrest with nice big cup holders. Those are great for long travels. And here at Miracle Truck and Car Company, we have full bank financing. We offer low rates with extended terms. We also assist our customers that have had BRUISED credit. So we can get you into a vehicle like this 16 Hyundai Tucson Limited, get you driving a newer vehicle like this one at a lower rate, and the whole time rebuilding your credit. Here's a good example. If you put $2,000 down, you're looking at a buy or equivalent trade-in, you're looking at a bi-weekly payment of $169 every 2 weeks. That's a good deal. This Premium Limited has some really nice options. Look at that, blind spot monitoring. I love the gauges, black and white, easy to read at night. Your media center, which includes a backup camera. You've got heated seats, heated steering wheel, and automatic climate control. This is not a base vehicle. If it's overcast and cloudy like it is today, you know what, no worries. We'll take whatever vehicle you're looking at, like this little Hyundai Tucson. We'll back it inside our indoor showroom. You can grab a coffee. You can sit and relax in our lounge, enjoy coffee, tea, or water, whatever you like, and take your time and look at this vehicle in the comfort underneath our showroom lights. We know that most people don't like going to a dealership. A lot of times they'll go after hours when the place is closed to look at the vehicle they're interested in. That's not our goal. We're a new business. Both my wife and I have years of franchise experience, and we want to make this a comfortable, professional atmosphere. We'll appraise your trade-in. We'll get you a payment, we'll get you approved, and hopefully you'll enjoy the experience and want to tell all your friends. That's our goal, to build our business one customer at a time, one great Google review at a time. We're located in the beautiful Qualicum Beach, Coombs area. There's Miracle Truck and Car Company. There's our front door on the corner of Highway 4 and Alberni Highway. And we're about 4 minutes down the road from Goats on the Roof, heading towards Port Alberni, Tofino, in the Coombs Country Junction. So as you pull into the junction, just keep your eyes to the left. You'll see the Miracle Truck and Car Company flags and our wonderful indoor showroom. And if you're coming up Highway 4, you won't miss the outdoor display. You'll see more great cars, all from Miracle Truck and Car Company. Hey, thanks for taking the time to watch this video.